Yeah, Betsy, we stay with COVID as we move on now on your feed at 5. Mask up, social distance, and get vaccinated. These are messages that we have heard over and over again, all to help stop the spread of COVID-19.
Well, and now there's another message from the head of the CDC. Unvaccinated people should not travel over the Labor Day weekend. Laura Queso here is joining us now with more on that.
Yeah, so the CDC Director Rochelle Walesnkey is basically saying things are trending in the wrong direction. We are battling a surge in hospitalizations due to the Delta variant. And again, like we've been saying, mostly unvaccinated people. The transmission is so high and people need to take their own risks into consideration if they want to travel. That's what she's saying. Another recommendation, those of you who are vaccinated should wear a mask. In fact, Cuyahoga County leaders today echoing the same message as we head into this big weekend, the holiday weekend. Right now, 53% of Cuyahoga County residents are fully vaccinated, but that does not include anyone 11 and under, and the Delta variant is surging. A COVID expert and scientist told me today, we are looking at case numbers like we had in December and January. He told me it's frightening. The state is seeing an increase in new cases among kids 17 and under, and as of yesterday, accounting for almost 28% of all cases so far this week.
We are seeing more patients steady. Over the last couple of weeks, we've seen more adults, young adults especially. We've seen some children, certainly with COVID. We've seen a lot of children with RSV. We've seen some children with both RSV and COVID. And that certainly is higher now than it was if you looked back about 7 weeks ago.
Coming up at 6, we'll hear more from the Cuyahoga County Health Commissioner about where we stand right now as far as cases, plus what he's saying about the holiday weekend. So there's a lot here.
We had a number a couple of months ago that it was around 98% of all the state's hospitalizations had not been vaccinated. So again, those that are getting sick from this haven't been vaccinated yet. Is it still true that those who are being intubated are unvaccinated? Are we still seeing that trend?
Yeah, so the doctor that just spoke, who I spoke with today, he said, and he intubates people, he said it's exclusively non-vaccinated people.
Oh. Wow.
That he intubates, exclusively non-vaccinated.
It provides a layer of protection, and that's why some are saying, why the mask and the vaccine? The vaccine is one layer of protection, the mask is another, and it's all about making us as safe as we can be.
You can look at it kind of like an insurance policy. That's what someone said.
That is a good way of looking at it.
Stuck with me.
Yeah.
And of course, Cuyahoga County, encouraging people to wear the mask. We have the air show this weekend. There's going to be thousands of people. Even though you're still outside, you're still going to be possibly in close proximity. So
asking you to do your part.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Right.